In this final episode of the Black Friday series, I'll show you how you can create a product showcase video with fashion model clips in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. Before we start editing, import your files needed here to the media pool. As you can see, I've prepared some files here, including 2 video clips of the model, 2 product photos, and 1 piece of music to use with the editing. First, drag the music and the video clips onto the timeline. Now I'm going to add a table on the right side of the model. I'll locate my downloaded film stock resources under the Titles tab, and I'll use this pricing table pack. You can download your favorite resources from a massive assets library on Filmstock and use it in your video project, including music, images, and video effects packs. I'll use this pricing table, and you can use your favorite titles if you have one. Then I'll reposition it to the right and go to the Advanced Text Edit to make changes to the text. I'll remove unwanted text boxes and change my text here, including the product name and the price. Then drag the product photo on top of the pricing table and let's add a fade-in animation. Drag the second keyframe to adjust the animation duration, where a smaller gap makes a quicker animation and a bigger gap makes a slower animation. Now let's adjust the animation timing for each text and product so that the animation looks seamless. Then I'll add a dissolve transition for both title and the product. For the second one, the process is pretty much the same by changing the title text, adding the product, and animation. Once you finish that, you'll get a cool product showcase video. It's simple, right? Let's create one using your product for a Black Friday sale. If you'd like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips.